does at least anybody understand the reasoning while I'm saying that you short from there? Did anybody short from there as per what I said? This would be the last place you'd want to short from. I didn't even put a good job, Isaac. All right. No, you had a little whiplash there that could probably have taken you out on the short side.
Mm-hmm.
Still would have been decent little short, guys. It was called. Now I will have some fun with you guys. Hopefully this time. And let's see here. Let me try to do something fanciful, fancy. Oh, okay. I got two different things running here. So that's the right account. Yep. Support or resistance. So let's let this thing rally up a little bit more and try to get another sell signal here, people. And chop.
Choppy chop.
Have you tried that out yet, Paul?
Yeah, there's a couple glitches. I've been talking to them this morning.
Cool.
They were in the room.
Nice.
Which is why we don't give it out
Until it's ready to go.
Right. Everybody
Can't eat the pie till it's baked, people.
For everybody that keeps sending me emails saying they want it, can't have it.
Can't eat the pie till it's baked.
You,
Oh, IM keeps moving down. So you catch a little support here.
yeah, Johnny, walk away, man. Take a loss. It's okay.
Uh-oh. Oof. PYPC there, buddy. Oof. PYPC. There's a long coming here in a second for breakout people. Both YMES. Still gonna look for that short trade back from the next zone up. Personally, that's what I'd like to see. Maybe it comes from this zone. Like to see price sneak its way back up one more time. Not make a new high there. And sell off. Now, again, it could just break out and bust through the bottom too. We've got, maybe we do have a little support that it bounced off of. should be a lot keeping it up there. Other than, did he make it to that prior? I guess it did. Into a little prior support. So there shouldn't be any reason this thing doesn't turn around again and go back down. I mean, in all reality, 50, that's a long way down. Craziness here. Sell that. I told you guys.
Getting crazy now.
Break out. And I think we had some 10 o'clock news, didn't we?
Is that what it was?
Yeah, we had 10 o'clock news. We had that's why I was kind of running my mouth. 10 a.m. joggings. So that on a red candle. Job openings. All right, newbies, stay away. Newbies, stay away from this for now. People. Too crazy price action for newer people. You're gonna get the retail guys, those that know how to trade the news. You get the retest. You're probably going to end up with a push up on that now. Those that don't know how to trade news, just sit on your hands, let it calm down for a little bit. I would assume that we'd be back to selling pretty soon, but we'll see. Sips coffee. Hey, keep that 500, Isaac. Keep it, dude. Keep you dig it. You dig a hole just so you can find. You dig a hole just so you can find out, don't you? Just
kind of seems that way.
Isaac, just dig the hole.
Just to prove a point.
Just to prove a point. I told you guys this name comes from there. The Stealth Eagle. I told you that was strong resistance. I don't know if anybody followed that. I didn't want to call it. Did anybody take the short from there? The double top? I did not want to call it for newbies to be doing. But I gave you the hint, nod, those that have been around for a while. I really didn't want to call it. Gracie, that's a good smart move. Good job. If you did not get my hint on it, you probably shouldn't have been trading it. How about that? Is that fair, guys? That's too erratic for most people to be trading unless they kind of understood what was going on with that. Does that make sense?
Crystal clear.
I think it makes sense. What did I mean by that? I meant, well, again, another run up on news, just a reason to get them back up to that level so they could sell it off again from that level. I talked about it a few minutes ago. Gave you guys, hey, thank you, Ron Joe. Have a great day. Yeah. But here's the deal, Isaac. I gave this level as a strong level. How many people actually wrote down the level I gave? Good job, Bourbon God. Good job, Isaac. Stay short, people. Stay short. Good job, Justin. Way to do it. Guys, you got to do that. Keep it in mind. Let's see. Gracie had to stop, I think she was asking for. Gracie, are you still in? Because your stop probably like 03 now. And I'm trying to get myself to figure out. Nice. You got a runner. What was your entry price? Gotta have a runner. Oh yeah, you definitely have a runner. Good job. Good job. Now I just wish I was in it. Because this thing's going down, baby. Do the zones again.
Yep. Harder she goes.
I tried to hint at it, people. I really tried to give you the best. Like, hey, this zone is strong. This zone is strong. This zone is strong with the market. No Yoda.
The stone is strong in you.
This zone is strong. Yeah. Then we got one just below here at 55.70. That's gonna be pretty cool if it reaches that.
Step away for a second. We're back.
Yes, sir. Doing all this stuff for you guys, and I need to look for a sell signal coming up here. Just a second. And if that M forms, I'm going to take it. Nope. And I will cancel. Wait for the next zone. Good trade, Gracia. Way to go. Ooh. Wow. Way to go, Gracia. Way to go. That should probably be it for you today, huh? There is a sell signal. Oh my goodness. I got a clip there for a second. I'm going to do something really nifty with this. I'm going to attach that to an indicator, one that we have. Thank you, Coach Hugo. Let that puppy ride. Try to get this other account by the short. Oh, it gave me flat. ATR. Bigger M, wonkier M here, guys. Bigger, wonkier M if anybody wants to sell that. Oh man, I got a clip there for a second.
Yeah, I'm passing on that. Almost took it.
Gracie nailed the trade.
Nice.
Yeah, she got a nice little runner out of it. Nice. Good job, Lulu. Good job, Lulu. Buddy, call it. That'll do. Hey, you know what? 2 disciplined days in a row like that, 3 disciplined days in a row like that. Good job, Paul P. Keep it. Good job, guys. Way to go. Way to go, people. Way to go. Way to go, everyone. All right.
Nice. Very nice.
We're short from here. Ah, I meant to press a button. Dang it.
I am in. A little late, but
Good
I'm up.
job. Well, this would be where you'd want to see the short from. So,
Nope, doesn't.
see if that falls through. Yeah, I think you probably got a pretty good chance on this one.
I got a little too late on that one, but I think it's going to cost me. It is. Oh, well.
Little risk. Nice, Lulu. Good
Mm,
job. I mean, you really shouldn't go much higher than what's going right now. I mean, that last attempt up should have been it. Back here. The one.
There we go.
The
Woo.
one I hinted at getting everybody to sell from.
I had to struggle for that. Target's off.
And I missed the M on the other side. Dag nabbit. Looking around for everybody else. All right, there you guys go. There's your sell. Anybody took it? Anybody take that sell signal? I mean, really, guys, if you just wait until the rallies come up to these little resistance areas this morning, selling is pretty easy. Pretty easy. I just didn't get my button turned on fast enough or get into this quick enough. And those of you on trial, if you see that we are patient traders, we are zone traders. We like to trade from our zones. We like the price to rally to a zone, especially when we're in a seller's market. Rally to a zone that we like. Press the sell button from there, and do what Paul's doing right now, making some money on the south side.
Just holding it on, letting it run. Run, baby, run.
You could probably do a stop of like 8.25 easy now, maybe 8 even.
Yeah, I'm at 8 even.
You're gonna get a runner with Gracia.
Nice. It's always good to catch one in your favor.
Yes, there's your runners coming.
There she goes.
Anybody else doing this? Anybody else in on the M, Coach Paul? That I should have been in on too. I should put the sell stop in and kept trailing it up. All right. Stop should probably right there around the 89, maybe at like 325. That's probably a little tight, but you're going to get a runner. Lock in whatever you want. Anybody else getting a little action on this little short here? Is everybody sitting on the sidelines watching the market? Oh, good. Okay, so you made a little scratch on it. We'll work on the stops. Speaking of, today is Tuesday, guys. I still have to do some stuff personally. So we got to bump class tomorrow, but I promise you we will do qualifying zones this week. And most of you that redid your homework that sent it to me, good job. You guys did a good job. Get a chance to look at that. Sitting around the hospital.
You okay, by the way?
There's a lot more to it than what's
Isn't there always, especially with the parents?
Yeah. He's gonna probably have to have a few more surgeries.
Oh no.
Yeah. So that's the heavy part. Somebody that old having to have those surgeries.
Yeah.
Early late sim, no worries. Early, late. It's almost time to be flat on this one. Unless this turns around right now, then you breakout people could take that on the short side. Went for coffee. Breakout people, get ready. Get ready, breakout people. Here it comes. You got Right about, what was that? Funk Soul Brother right about now. Told
There she
you.
goes.
I literally, and I called it based on the candle, people. The candle we've been working on in Premier Clubhouse. We will be doing Premier Clubhouse today because I could make some money. I should have taken that short.
I am short. I'm still holding from.
You're still short.
Yeah.
Did anybody take the breakout? You should have targets off. Easy breakout trade. It may come back to your stop, but it was an easy breakout trade to take. Nobody did the breakout. I called it like 3 candles in advance because you could still be in it. And everybody else, you guys that got in earlier, can use 99.75 as a stop right now. I can call a trade on the bid and the ask again if you guys want me to. Maybe you guys like that better. I showed off last week, and you expect nothing but like nothing but, oh no, you got to do something fancy again. It's not fancy enough for us if you're doing something cool. All right, everybody should be flat on that. And you get your next sell signal even after that. Now it's getting a little price action, getting a little wonky, guys. So
Yeah.
you had your chances. We called some good trades for you. I don't think now is the time for somebody who's struggling to be profitably trading. Not the way this price action is acting. Price action is acting, something like that. I mean, even though there was a little tiny M there, it's hard to call for people who are not profitable already. Did we take the M? Did anybody take the little M there? It's only been a few minutes after the news. Anybody take that little M? Somebody had to have. That's one of the trades we've been working on a lot for you guys.
There she goes.
And
There she goes.
I will take a trade at some point, I promise.
Yeah. Some point, huh?
At some point. Oh no. No texting and trading. You're over there licking your wounds. Keep your wounds for a learning lesson there, Hook'em. Super Green, good job, Kamisha. At some point, I'm gonna try to take this trade. I'm afraid of the area down there around 70, but it's gonna be a magnet to it. It's gonna get down there to it. I need to take a proper sell signal. That's what I need to do. Got my short on up there. Maybe get a little bit of a rally this time. First touch rule. I'll take a first touch rule between the zones on this. Just a little bounce off support, that's all. Or hang around that zone for a little bit. Give me kind of the magic trio. And you're going to get a sell signal here in a second. It's going to be a halfway one, but it's going to happen. And I'm going to skip on that one too. But it's going to happen, guys. Bubba Shot Jukebox. Last night.
Be one of those. There it goes. Now give us a sell signal.
Yeah, take it from there. Take it from there. Give me a little M. I want to see an M personally. That's what I want to see. A pure reversal is cool. It might work.
You're gonna get your M, I think.
It might. Get another little M from there. That'd be fantastic.
Target filled.
I think I would put
There we go. I'm in. Target's off. There's your
put
small little M. Come on now. Go.
Put my target together here.
Go.
Target filled.
Bring this down. Get a little extra gravy in the pocket there. The other one's going to take me flat. That's okay. That's profitable. That one took me flat too. Oops. Maybe I got out of that one a little too early, people. Oh, well. A little scratch in the pocket there. Never killed anybody. Yeah. Everybody should be flat on it then. Looks like. Well, at least we got our targets. What? Oh, Michael. You should be sharing that.
What happened to Michael?
Share that, dude. Those are
Oh.
good. He got set up for the Swiss It, and here's his stuff.
Oh, nice. Look at that.
Look
Cool.
at that. 86.2 winning ratio. That is awesome, people. Everybody should be congratulating Michael for that. That is how you do it, buddy. Those are the ratios you look for. There's a sell signal that I just missed. Seriously, guys, you should be congratulating Michael for that. That's doing it. That's doing it and doing it right. Good job, Michael. Dude, really good job. Another gentleman who came in here just a mess. Michael, tell him, man, came in a mess and took down the rules and started actually following it. And just that's what you get. Consistency like nobody's business. And that's a model of consistency right there, people. Total shot show. But you came in and started working it, and you did it right. Doing the same thing Gracie has been doing. I don't know if anybody took the sell from there, but that was a little too wiki for me. But again, great job, Michael. Everybody, seriously. When we talk about congratulating people here in this club, that's something to be congratulated. 86% winning ratio. I don't know about you, but 97. Okay. All right. There you go. Good job, Westy. Westy needed a piece of action today. I'd keep a little generous stop here because I'm really looking at that 75 number on this attempt down because it should break that prior low here in just a second. So you might need to leave a little bit looser of a stop, Westy. I like 91 right now. That should hold you in it. That should hold you in it. And then you got, dude, you got like 75 in the runnings here. If you think if you can hold it, should push down a couple more ticks here. We've got a prior low of 84.25. So if this thing doesn't turn around now, it's going to push through that 84.25. Isn't it amazing how price just stops at our zones all the time? Isn't that amazing, guys? There you go. You got it, Westy. Are you in? Nice. Your stop is obviously now 88.50, and you have locked in an official runner. Good job. I should just let my short button on and kept taking all those shorts until I got the one that you got. That's what I should have done, Westy. Maybe a couple more ticks down. Dealer's choice on this. Lock in your runner if you need to. Looks like you might be able to stay in it. If you do, just go a couple more ticks down. Your dealer's choice, man. Whatever you need to get your runner, lock it in. But yeah, if you want a big one, I'd be looking for that 70, 75 number if you want to stay in it. Because you're about to get it there, buddy. Now you have a clear stop at 87.25 or 87 even. Clear stop. Oh no. All right, I'll get you later. I got to get my trades in later too. Stretch. We'll do probably around 1:30. I'll open the clubhouse is open now, by the way. Wesley, you getting this? Get ready. You're getting close to that number. You got a low now of 76. I mean, you might want to tighten that thing up pretty quick. This is where big support is. Tighten it up, tighten it up, tighten it up, tighten it up. Tighten it up. I mean, like tighten it up to like 83. Tighten it up. 83. And then if it keeps rolling down from there, then you're a happy man. But at least you got 83 locked in. That's what I would do. But I don't know what I'm talking about. I've done this. This is my first day on the job. This is my first day on the job, man. I just got hired yesterday. You remember filling out the HR paperwork and everything?
Anybody can trade. What are you talking about? So easy a caveman can do it.
Thanks, Justin. Nice job, buddy.
That's weird. My strategy's disappeared.
So easy a caveman can do it. Nice. How many people are done for the day after this? Stay in that. Now you got that number coming right there, guys. Dealer's choice. That is it. You see the two green lines on my chart. You know what that means. You know what that means, guys. Get your stops tightened up. You got 81 cents. That's pretty generous there, buddy. I mean, you could even use 80. I mean, back behind that little tiny wick there, you could look at right at 80. Yeah, you got it. You're still in there. Look at you, buddy. 80.25. There you go. Ah, not even respecting that, is it? Got one more chance on this little area down here. Up to you. Whatever you want us to stop now, dude. Because that's a good trade. You know what I do? I generally leave my stop a little looser the deeper I get into this. So if you want to keep it loose, I don't know if you're in a prop account or not. Are you in a prop account? Do you need to tighten it up or no? Yep, you have to have it tight, so you need to tighten it up. I would consider being like really tight with it right here, guys. Anybody that's in that, maybe 76 if you're using a prop account, don't give this back. It's going to turn around from here. There you go. I told you. Nice trade, guys. Nice trade. Nice trade. Monday's low 72. Good job, guys.
Nice.
Good job, everybody.
Everybody's killing it this morning. It's a
You
good
guys
day.
are doing it. I'm gonna try to like to see a double bottom here. This should be where it comes around, somewhere in this area. Here's a little double bottom buy on. There you go. It took off there fast. Well, there's a double bottom. If anybody followed that, there's your long call from the bottom. Anybody grab a piece of the long call from the bottom? Kept saying this is where it's going to reverse at. Did anybody listen? I couldn't find my chart fast enough to press the buy button. Or is everybody done on the short side? I don't know. Because there is a sell signal coming. I don't know how long it's going to last. This is probably reversal territory. If you want to do the sell signals, there is your sell signal. And targets off if you did it. See if we start seeing a bit of a reversal pattern here. This would nice, Westy. Good job. Great job. You guys are doing it right this morning. How about that? Getting your trades in and sitting on the sidelines. I love seeing that. Get your trade in, sit on the sidelines because you got to be very picky with your trades this morning.
Yep. It's tough trading today. Profitable. but tough.
I mean, sometimes it was, sometimes it wasn't. You
Mhm.
just had to be patient for the times when it wasn't. Bigger M forming. I don't know if I like that. I keep thinking this is going to be a reversal. But if you like the bigger M's, there is one. And everywhere I look on all my charts, all I see is lines marking support. Everywhere. I got them on another chart over here. Literally, like on another 699 tick chart, I got another one marked off. Every single chart I look at, I've got support, support, support. So that's probably pretty strong support there, guys. Let's see, how far was the rally yesterday when it bounced off support? Let's see, take a look at that. Is it somebody said 72 was a low yesterday? There's probably another sell signal coming in just a second on a big wonky M if you guys really want to look at it. And by looking at bid and ask here, you should have targets off. Is this all this morning?
Yeah. Yeah.
Lots of range bars today. All right. Looking for that double tap then. I think if I get a buy signal here, I'm going to take a long.
Target filled.
Nah, I did make my stop too fast.
Target filled.
Get me out some. Very clear. It got me. Oh well. Again, this is support, so be wary of the shorts for just a minute. I'd rather it go through support first, come back and give us a retest. Oh, I had my long button on. I had my long button on. Oh no. Yeah. All right. No more for me.
This is the bad area right here. Doesn't look like it's.
Should be support. There's going to be a W that forms in a minute. And if it doesn't form, I'll start selling below. Selling below the zone. I even had these. Look, these are even marked off from. These zones are even marked off from before too. Those are permanent zones that I have on my chart. It's crazy. There you go. Points of confluence. Points of confluence. There's going to be a W here in a second, guys. I'm telling you. And we could just wait and be patient. Look for like a 1, 2, 3 reversal to finish. That happened yesterday too. We got the swings to look at right in front of our faces. Does anybody need anything this morning? I mean, like if you need a trade, let us know. You can private message us. You can say it in the group chat. There's your W, but that was a hard one to take. If you need. Nope. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, if you took the trades that were called, you made money. If you mess up the trades that were called, or you did your own stuff, you got to let us know, and then we can help you fix it. I promise you. We would try our best to help you fix it. I'm not gonna call trades in this little chop environment here down at support. Not doing that. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. I'd rather keep you guys safe. I'd rather say we take a coffee break and come back and see if we catch one more trade. What do you guys think about that? No, I'm still Gracie, I'm still doing some stuff personally. So tomorrow I'm gonna finish up the zones thing. Unfortunately. I got my elderly parents to deal with.
Welcome to Liberty Trade Club, everyone. Miss Paulina here. Hopefully, you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in our trade room for live trade calls, visit libertytradingclub.com and start your free trial. There's also a link in the description below. Please like, subscribe, and share.